Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Again, in today's video, I have multiple work from home job leads for you. Some of these are from Walmart is hiring. Some of these are from Capital One that pays up to $59 an hour. We've got data entry. I am hoping we have a little bit of a something for everyone in today's video, but I just want to say welcome. If you are new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And I just always ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give me that direct feedback and letting me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. You can always leave something in the comments, and if you have something specific that you're looking for, you can always leave that in the comments too. I make no promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But let's go ahead and start out with an entry-level data entry position. The company is Infuse Media. They have been in business since 2012 with thousands of different business relationships promoting content through social, programmatic, or mobile campaigns. They do have 199 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an entry-level data entry clerk. This is remote for North America. But they're looking for somebody to help their sales operations team as a data entry clerk. You're going to be responsible for managing and maintaining data within their content management or CRM systems. Your primary focus is going to be uploading data into the system and cleaning that data up, and then performing data comparisons in Microsoft Excel. So you are going to have to know how to do Microsoft Excel and some formulas in Excel. But you're basically going to accurately input and upload the data into the system, making sure that it's consistent and accurate and complete with all of the uploading process. You're going to review and clean up any existing data, eliminating any duplicates, errors, or inconsistencies. And then you're going to use Microsoft Excel to compare and analyze data sets, making sure they're accurate and complete, identifying and resolving any discrepancies and errors between the two different data sets. So this means you're going to conduct regular audits of data to just verify it's there, accurate, correct, all of the things. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has high attention to detail, somebody who can use Microsoft Excel, somebody who has experience working with the systems like Salesforce or HubSpot. Of course, you have to have great organizational skills and great communication skills. And all the way down at the bottom where you put your application in, it does state the salary for this position is $35,000 a year. And it asks if that aligns with your expectations. So just know going in, if you don't choose yes, they probably will not give you an interview. Moving right along, next up we have the company TTEC. Now TTEC was founded in 1982. They do have more than 60,000 employees, so this is not a startup company. They have been around a while. They have over 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality assurance specialist. Now, basically, this means you're going to evaluate and analyze customer interactions to improve their customer experience and satisfaction scores. So you've got to have great active listening skills. So you're going to assist the quality training manager with key auditing performance indicators like outgoing correspondence and external survey results. You're going to review and evaluate these operational procedures, including their customer service interactions. So you're going to have to listen to those recorded phone calls from all communication channels, service request, refund processing, all of that. And you're going to review the quality of those interactions and implementations, just coordinating with any different departments relating to audits or including sample selection, documentation, and the reporting of the results or your findings. So you're going to assist with administrative functions like developing operating procedures if you find something that could be improved, quality standard definitions, quality forms, things like that. This does pay anywhere from $37,065 a year all the way up to $41,189 a year, and they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 6 months or more of customer service or call center experience. You do have to be understanding and be able to work with some data reporting. Moving right along though, next up, as promised, we have Capital One hiring. Now, Capital One is a financial institution. They do things like banking, credit cards, loans, anything like that, just all around a financial institution. They do have 16,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a customer service lead for their Capital One shopping department. Now, if you're not familiar with Capital One shopping, I personally have used it in the past. It is an app you can download on your phone. They also have a Google Chrome extension that you can install in your Chrome toolbar. And when you're shopping on different websites, it'll activate kind of the same way Honey does, and it'll try to find you coupon codes and discounts to save you money on products. You can also get cash back, but it is separate from their financial and credit card. So you can have Capital One shopping without having a card with them. But they're basically looking for a customer service lead to join their team and help improve and integrate new products and revenue opportunities within their merchant departments, driving execution within the shopping app. So you're going to oversee the customer support function, ensuring timely and efficiently responses to inquiries, troubleshooting, and issue resolution. So you're going to be managing a team, making sure all the customer service reps are doing their job basically. You're going to monitor the performance metrics and implementation improvements as needed, handling any escalated customer issues, and providing resolution. So when your customer service reps can't handle the issue, they'll have to escalate it up to you, especially if somebody's like, can I speak to a manager, please? You'll ensure that the team has in-depth knowledge of how Capital One's shopping product suite works so that they know how to best help the customers. So you're also going to be providing ongoing training and documentation for your team, just establishing and managing any feedback loops and gather insights from the team. Now, this one is going to require either a bachelor degree or military experience. They do want somebody who has at least 3 years of customer support experience, and they do prefer somebody who knows SQL. And I've seen in the comments recently that somebody was looking for a tech site job that required SQL, even though this is more customer service management based. It is requiring those skills, but they do pay very well. Pays anywhere from $108,700 a year all the way up to $124,100 a year. $124,000 a year broken down into 52 weeks a year and 40 hours in a normal work week is going to be $59 an hour. If you have customer service skills, but you don't have the SQL, maybe Walmart might be a better fit for you. We all know Walmart as the retailer all across the United States. They do have 124,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. And with Walmart, you've got to remember this employee satisfaction score includes their cashiers, all of their staff that works in the stores, as well as their remote workers. So it's just everyone who's ever worked at Walmart, so please keep that in mind. But they are hiring a remote resolution specialist for their contact center for their health and wellness department. Now, all Walmarts have a pharmacy located in them. They do a lot of different healthcare related activities outside of their regular retail store. And so they're looking for somebody to work for their health and wellness department. Now, they say this role is going to operate in a similar capacity as a front desk of like a walk-in medical clinic, even though you're going to be at home not having to sit in a medical clinic. You're going to process incoming patient requests through phone and through the electronic medical record system. You'll have to make outbound phone calls to gather any missing patient information, connecting those patients with the available doctors and providers, and serving as their primary contact for non-medical support requests. You're going to have to be accurately documenting their charts and records, making sure that you handle all of their information by HIPAA guidelines. Now, they only require 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, somebody who can be empathetic, someone who has good communication skills, and of course you have to have basic typing computer skills where you type at least 32 to 45 words per minute. Now, unfortunately, Walmart did not list pay in their job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But moving right on along, next up we have the company ATTN, or Attention. They are a media company. They entertain and inform, so they do all things media and social media. They only have 64 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, I always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a community strategist. Now, this is going to be like social media communities. They are basically looking for somebody to help develop and execute their community management strategy for different projects and clients, staying up to date on any social media trends, and playing a critical role in helping inform content decisions for growing the presence of brands and talent and initiatives. So you're going to be working with different clients, and you're going to have to do community management on TikTok with flexible capabilities of working on other social media platforms as well, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and YouTube. But their main focus is going to be that TikTok. TikTok is the up and coming new thing now. So you're going to have to create and maintain TikTok community management guidelines, document those for your brand partners. You're going to do comment moderation. So you'll remove hate speech comments that are left on those TikTok pages and any other highly inappropriate comments. You're going to write engaging post copy and comment replies for all content. So you'll have to come up with replies to some of the TikTok comments on your own. You won't have a script to go by. You'll have to comment engagement with likes and replies on all of these TikTok posts, just identifying moments for collaboration, and escalate to account and creative teams any issues that you come across. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years of experience in developing or implementing social media strategies, someone who has success at growing and engaging social media audiences. You've got to have great writing skills because you'll be writing some content for Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. You've got to understand cultural issues and differences and be a self-starter with great attention to detail. But they are paying anywhere from $70,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year for this position, and it doesn't require any kind of college degree. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please remember, you can always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Don't forget to help me out by giving this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.